Jesse Webb, Traders Pro. Market conditions mildly bullish. Now in a bull market, we've switched over here and we've finally notched back up. Again, this is a very slow moving indicator, so a lot of this, potentially could still be a counter trend, but we will we'll focus on what is in front of us. So another bullish day, and that could notch this over into a bullish and a bull market, which is the biggest thing at this point is allowing for a little bit longer position, a little bit larger position sizes. Consider trading with neutral bullish bias, buying stocks. Obviously, more aggressive traders can go with options or leaps, something in the bullish direction. We had a pretty strong move yesterday. Internals are still a little bit light here, which is a good location for a rally. We want to see this tick up into that buy on momentum. Want to see breadth. Had a good move on it yesterday. We'll see if we get another pop on that today. We're still sitting at right at resistance on S&P 500, so the overall really solid trend, if we can break up above this 415 area on SPY, we'll have a decent amount of upside. Potentially on some indices may see tests of all-time highs or recent highs, such as the Dow. Sentiment, we've talked about bouncing off that 50% line, that 50% retracement line. It's not drawn on there, but you can see right here this halfway mark often acts as that support and resistance location as well on this upside, and just like it does on the downside. So keep an eye on that halfway point when looking at the sentiment indicator. We're getting a bounce here on, again, this is a S&P 500 essentially. So, and this is based on SPY, the ETF. So keep an eye on that one today. And we've got some good looking muscle stocks in the new buy list. CABA has been kind of waffling around here, trying to break out and trying to decide which decision it wants to go, which direction it wants to go. And you've got potential breakout here. Not quite yet, but it's one of the stronger ones that had, once it started trending this last move, had a really nice, solid, consistent uptrend. Keep an eye on that one at this location. Meta Meta had a nice move yesterday, which is part of the reason why I think the market rallied, but that wasn't in the new buy list. That's AAON construction, seeing a good solid buy move there as well. Really good fundamentals in there. Annual EPS, quarter EPS, lots of green on that chart. Strength rank 98, which is a good looking setup. VMD, a medical product stock in there. Some decent selling after that uptrend, a little pullback. We're seeing a lot of stocks. This is the buy the dip scenario now, where we're switching over from being watching for these rallies to be sold into aggressively. Now the pullbacks are being bought into. So keep an eye on that on some of these names. WFRD, oil field stock, nice little uptrend there. OMER, again, a confirmation move or buy signal after the most recent sell signal, and it's got a retrace and some support. So you've got that rally, the breakout. Now you're getting some confirmation bars right here at these locations. Not a real solid looking chart. There are better ones in there, but that's one of the ones in the top 5 just because of the rank. It has been a pretty strong mover here recently. If you don't have